Guys, this is Ali Abbas, and today I'm reading Chapter 12 called Farewell to Arms. You may have won the battle, but watch out! Here comes the war! Zip! Wah! Zip! Petey and the very hungry caterpillar were now encamped in a coracle tomb, and nearly everyone on the street below was horrified. Don't worry, nearly everyone. I think I know what's going to happen. So you think you get on it all figured out, huh, kid? Well, I've got 4 new armies. See? I keep it up in my sleeves. Get it? Armies? Sleevies? Come on. Seriously. Didn't you like my arm joke? Nope, it was the pits. Oh, hey! Oh, I made the corny jokes in this book. Meanwhile, okay, Daryl. Here comes the plan. You're going to lower me down into that museum. And I'm going to steal the world-famous Hope Mood ring. Ding. But Piggy, we can't steal. We're the friendly friends. And you know, good guys cannot steal anything. Did I say steal? I mean protect. You see, a bunch of robbers are gonna try to steal it. And we have to foil their evil schemes. Also, foil is shiny. Right. Now lower me into that vent. And don't pull me up until you get my signal. Okay. There it is. Chick! Come to Papa. I got it. What could possibly go wrong? Meanwhile, help! 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 The terrified cries for help echo across the rooftops. Help! 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 Fell upon the ears of a hungry hero. Help! 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 You know, guys, I need to end this for now. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.